Corners and edges are the weakest points of any tile installation. If a tile breaks anywhere, it breaks there first when faced with downward pressure from the surface. In the most previously patent granted, we protected corner to mortar to subfloor direct contact. In this patent, we are protecting another important and unique design feature. That is, if the user decides to use it between two tiles instead of locating it in the corner. We are therefore trying to protect the other vulnerable portion of the tile installation, namely the edge. This would be edge to mortar to subfloor direct contact. In other words, minimal interruption of plastic at the assembly. Inserting plastic between the subfloor and the tile weakens the assembly because mortar does not adhere to plastic, and often when the piece is inserted, it completely removes mortar from the ability to touch the tile, especially at the edge. It does so by inserting a layer of plastic between the edge and subfloor. This often creates a void of adhesive at the plastic to tile to edge combination. If the tile is not bonded directly to the subfloor sufficiently, the installation is much weaker, particularly at the most vulnerable points. We are clearly the only leveling system that allows that direct contact at the most vulnerable points. We are going to do a very small demonstration of tile and leveling clip installation using clear plastic instead of tiles, so that we can demonstrate the differences. First, the mortar is spread with a notch trowel. Then we insert leveling clips and set the tiles on top of them. The first piece we are inserting is the Dota piece. Next is Passalia piece with the small holes on each end. And finally, our design. There is a tremendous advantage to notches, but only if they are inserted the correct way. The correct way would be to insert it as it encourages mortar to reach as close to the edge as possible. Now please observe the edge of tile to mortar to subfloor contact seen here. You can see that our system has the only edge to mortar to subfloor direct contact, and therefore provides a superior installation.